everybody! I'm here today to show you how to whistle with your teeth. I'll be going over an easy way to whistle with your teeth. This is a simple tutorial and it's so unbelievably easy. It's so easy. Let's get right into the video. When you learn how to whistle with your teeth, it's going to sound something like this. So as you can see right there, I am mainly using my teeth to whistle, okay? And I am creating an air pathway that utilizes my teeth, okay? And the greatest thing about this is that this will work no matter what style teeth you have, right? You know, as you can see, my teeth, I have sort of like wider style teeth. And I'd like to think on a side note that my daughter got my teeth, okay? My son did not, but my daughter ended up with my teeth. But my wife has like smaller style teeth, and we can both do it. So it doesn't matter what kind of teeth, what formation, what shape, if they're straight, if they're not straight, doesn't matter. You can still do this. That's why I like it, okay? So essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your tongue, and you're gonna put it close to the top of your mouth, close to your teeth. But it's not going to be touching your teeth, because what the air is doing is it's going on top of your tongue, and then it's exiting your mouth between your teeth and your tongue. It's going to look something like this. You can see right there, I'm taking my tongue, and it's ending up close to the top of my teeth, okay? And what you want to do is you want to practice a couple times. You might not get the sound right away, but you're gonna let air go out and you're gonna guide it through this part right here, between your tongue and your teeth right here. You're gonna let air go out. And it's gonna sound like that at first. You're not really gonna get the full whistle sound, but you're gonna be able to change the pitch. Then all that you have to do when you have that pitch changing is just perfect your tongue. So take your tongue and just literally move it slightly up, slightly down, slightly forward, slightly backward until you get it to make the whistle sound. So you're gonna experiment and lick your lips so that they're nice and wet, because that's gonna help you whistle. So experiment. Oh, and then you're like, wow, wait a second, I got the sound. Keep doing that. And then you're gonna get that sound. You see, I adjusted my tongue in little movements, and then I got that sound right there, okay? And now that I have that sound, we're gonna work with that sound. And what I want you to do to change the pitch, you're gonna keep your tongue basically in the same spot, but you're gonna be moving your lips. And then once you have that whistle sound, you'll be able to change the pitch by moving your lips. And then when you bring your lower lip in like that, you can try that, you're gonna get a very controlled pitch movement. So check this out now. I'm bringing my lower lip in, and if you'll notice, I'm mainly using my lower lip to control that pitch. Check this out. My tongue is not moving, my upper lip is not moving, only my lower lip is moving, and I'm able to control the pitch extremely precisely. And then you can whistle a tune to whatever you like. And that's basically it. The key here is that you gotta practice. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first learned how to do this, I essentially just tried to make a whistling sound for like probably 45 minutes. And then I got it. And then once you get it, you learn to control that pitch, and then I've never lost it. To be honest with you, when I worked at an old part-time job of mine at a grocery store, a local neighborhood grocery store close to my parents' house, I worked there for like 7 years. And if you're a long-time fan of the channel, or if you know me, you'll probably know what the grocery store is. But I would just walk around my entire shift and just whistle. Like, that's what I was kind of known for. Maybe customers thought I was crazy, but to be honest with you, I was working a ton of hours while I was in high school and then college and then university, so it kind of just kept me happy. And that's basically, that is how to whistle with your teeth. It's great because you're not using your lips. Essentially, you're whistling between your teeth. You're not going totally a different sound than. It's very simple, 2 different sounds, right? 2 different pitches, 2 different controls. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.